Any advice for people listening now who are telling themselves, I want to do that too. I want I want to be like Solana. I want to join the Mongol Derby. Anong would you discourage it, encourage it? Any precautionary
Mm-mm.
advice sa mga nakikinig ngayon?
Yung advice ko is I would really hope that before joining, um i-figure out mo na yung mindset mo. Um Kasi kung gusto mong manalo, if the race is really your goal, um
Mhm.
I can say na talagang mahihirapan ka from the get-go. And you have to be
Mhm.
willing to face
Mhm.
that hardship and face that
Mhm.
challenge. It's
Mhm.
physical, it's mental. Tsaka um the difference between me and yung mga riders na nag-place sa top 10, first place and all of that is um ako naman talagang nag-focus ako sa experience of meeting the locals, of immersing myself in the culture. Tapos talagang bawat bagong landscape na nadadaanan ko, I fully immerse myself and take my time in it. So, naging more meditative siya sa akin. Um, which is not to say, hindi ko naman ini-invalidate na wag kang manalo. Kasi of course, it's a race. It's a race. Some people will really have that goal. Pero isipin mo lang yung mindset mo right from the beginning. Kasi when I first started training, um, I really wanted to win. I wanted to win so badly. Tapos, ang daming nangyari sa akin nung training pa lang kasi yun nga, pandemic and everything. And I started to appreciate a different way of looking at it. Tapos, ang number one warning ko lang na related din sa mindset is mahirap talaga mag-adjust sa normal life, sa
Mhm.
regular
Mhm.
life after the
Mhm.
race. So,
Mhm.
isipin isipin niyo na lang na ako sobrang relaxed ako sa race. Ang number one goal ko nung time na yan is to just enjoy and experience, make friends. Nung nakita ko na sobrang hospitable at mababait yung mga Mongolian, ang naging goal ko is ipapakita ko na ganun din yung mga Filipino. Tapos sana kung may Filipino na sasali sa derby ulit, sana yan din yung attitude na makikita ng mga local. Pero imagine niyo na lang na yan yung mindset ko, enjoy na enjoy ako, tapos super safe ako buong karera. Di ako nahulog, di ako nasipa, wala akong injuries. It's such a big experience, tapos may adrenaline, may ang highs, ang highs ng joy and happiness na may experience mo dyan. Sobrang rich, sobrang profound. Tapos ngayon parang magka-crash ka, magka-crash ka. So, imaginein mo na lang na kung pumasok ka sa race with the mindset of, kailangan kong manalo, kailangan kong mag-place, tapos na-injure ka, or hindi mo lang nakuha yung nalabasan na gusto mo. I can imagine na yung crash, yung readjustment period into normal life will be a lot harder. At saka yan yung realidad ng Mongol Derby.